The lonely sound of space. While outer space is often depicted as a vast silence in movies and sci-fi media, the reality is that sound does exist, albeit in a much different form.
Sound waves require a medium, such as air or water, to propagate, and since space is a vacuum, traditional sounds cannot travel. However, scientists can convert electromagnetic waves from celestial objects into sounds that we can hear. For example, the waves emitted by planets and stars can be translated into audible sounds via radio waves.
This means that, in a sense, the universe is singing, just not in the way humans typically perceive sound. This fascinating conversion allows astronomers to analyze phenomena like solar flares or the sounds of black holes, providing insights into the processes governing our universe. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more amazing facts.